Quote several companies' final expense products from one easy-to-use tool. From VictoryBrokerage.com, select Final Expense Quote Engine from the Final Expense tab. From this screen, you select the date of birth, gender, tobacco usage, face amount, and benefit type, from level to guaranteed issue. If you're not sure about what benefit type to select because of health issues, call Victory at 610-785-1501. For the sake of this demonstration, we will select $25,000 with a level death benefit. Click the Get Quotes Now button. The products will be displayed in order of price. You can see there's several companies that have similar pricing. To make sure you're quoting the right product for the case, call Victory at 610-785-1501. You can also get the products guides from VictoryBrokerage.com. Select Final Expense Product Guides from the Final Expense tab. From here, view any guide. I hope this makes quoting final expense and guaranteed issue products easier.